Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deshe. My dear students of class 5, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class, and our today's topic is matching. So if you want to do matching, you have to go through your textbook. That means you have to read all the lessons carefully, then you will be able to do matching. Let's start. And today we will know how to how you will write matching in your answer script. Okay, let's start. Now look, matching, this is lecture 32 and your homework will be 21. You will do one matching as your homework. Now look, what is the question? Match the words of the left side with the words of the right side and write it on the answer paper. So you will be given the questions, and now look, there will be two columns, left side and right side, and in left side there will be 5 options or 5 phrases, and in right side there will be 7 phrases. Now look, A, B, C, D, E, 5, and in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in Roman number. It will be 7, or it can be here can be 1, 2, 3, 4 also. So if you were given numbers on the left side or right side, you will join these two numbers at first. Okay, we will do it. Now look, okay, let's read at first. Left side, number A, the battle of Palashi. Number B, child labor. Number C, women's education. Number D, Mujibnagar government. And number E, United Nations. Now look, there are 5 sentence or 5 phrases you have to match, and there are 7 options. That means there are extra 2 options to confuse you. So you have to go through your textbook properly. Number 1, Begum Rokia. Number 2, 1970. Number 3, illegal. Number 4, Queen Victoria. Number 5, Shirajudollah. Number 6, 1971. Number 7, 1945. So these are the these are in this right side. Now we will match left side with the right side. Now look, number A, the battle of Palashi. So the battle of Palashi, we all know that it is related to Shirajudollah. So it will be number 5. Number A matches with number 5. So how will you write the matching? Now look, at first you will write A plus 5. Okay, at first you will write A plus 5. Number A matches with number 5. Now we will equal or hyphen, then we will write the portion of the part of the left side, the battle of Palashi. The battle of Palashi. Now we will give a plus sign, and what is in the right side? Now look, it is Shirajudollah. Shirajudollah, so we will write here Shirajudollah. Shirajudollah. And now look, the battle of Palashi plus Shirajudollah. It does not make a sentence, so we will not give here full stop. But if it makes a sentence, we will put a full stop at the end of the matching. Now we will go to B, child labor. Now in number B it is child labor, and now look which one will match. Now we have matched number 5 with number A, so it is done. Now look, Begum Rokia, 1970, illegal. Queen Victoria, 1971, 45. So child labor, we all know that it is illegal. So number B will match with number 3. So now we will give here B plus 3. So in number B it is written child labor. child labor. Now we will give a plus sign, and in 3 it is illegal. So we will write here illegal. Now number C. Okay, we match it. Now number C, women's education. And we all know that women's education, now look, the Begum Rokeya is the pioneer of the women's education. Now look, there is also option Queen Victoria. So women's education will be Begum Rokeya. It will not be Queen Victoria. Okay, don't be confused. So it will be women's education, Begum Rokeya. So number C matches with number 1. So we will write here C plus 1. So women's education, then we will give a plus sign, women's education, and in number 1 it is Begum Rokeya. So we will write here Begum Rokeya. Now number D. Now look, in number D it is Mujibnagar government. Mujibnagar government. And now look, which options are left? Number 2, 1970, number 4, Queen Victoria, number 6, 1971, number 7, 1945. And we all know that Mujibnagar government was formed in 1975. Don't be confused with 1970 or 1971. This one will be correct, number 6. So number D matches with number 6. Number D matches with number 6. Mujibnagar government. At first we will write Mujibnagar government because it is given in the left side. Mujibnagar government. Then plus sign. And what is the number 6? 1971. Now it's done. Now we will go to number E. That means this is the last one. Now look, United Nations. Now 3 options left. United Nations, 1970, Queen Victoria, and 1945. So which one will be the correct? Yes, I know all of you know that United Nations was formed on 1945. So at first we will we'll write C plus 7. C plus 7. That means in Roman number. Now we will write United Nations. United Nations. Now plus sign, and then in number 7 it is 1945. So you will do the matching like this. Okay. Now look. So what will be the correct answer? Option A. A matches with number 5. The Battle of Palashi, Sirajuddaula. Number B matches with number 3. Child labor illegal. Number C, women's education matches with number 1. Begum Rokeya. Number D matches with number 6. Mujibnagar government 1971. Number E matches with number 7. United Nations 1945. So you will follow this way to do your matching. Now you are going to give a homework. Now this will be homework number 21. Match the words of the left side with the words of the right side and write it on the answer paper. Now we can take a screenshot. It will be helpful for you. And now look, in left side there are some phrases and in right side there are some phrases. And now look, they will make sentence, and that's why you will give full stop after writing each of the sentence. Now look, in the left side you will find in number A, the last nation joined to serve is. Number B, 27.70% of our total population is. Number C, the center of Buddhist civilization was. Number D, division of Bengal was annulled. Number E, intelligence groups of guerrilla forces. And in right side, number 1, carried arms and took part in frontal attacks. Number 2, in 1911. Number 3, still illiterate. Number 4, Afghanistan. Number 5, Paharpur. Number 6, gather information about the enemy's movement. Number 7, Mainamati. You will give full stop. Now look, there is the full stop. So after doing the matching, you will put full stop. So dear students, you can take a screenshot and then you will do the matching. You will follow this way, whatever we have done today. Okay. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will go through your textbook and read very carefully, and all of you will do your homework and you will submit it on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. So dear students, all of you listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.